Yesterday morning, various parts of the Lake Victoria Basin received heavy rains, which caused flooding.
Obyabana igura horushitamo rw'Eishengyero rw'eriizooba ori omuheezi wa sipiika w'Eishengyero ry'ihanga Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa yareka okushasha ahareba amaka gafeerirwe abantu babo mu njura y'amaani nikwo kuhiga abantu okurinda ebyobuhangwa.
We even lost livelihoods. I was checking in the media that we lost around 5 and 7, and more people are injured. It was very, very unfortunate what happened yesterday. Such a climate-induced occurrences, I remind about the need for responsible and sustainable environment and natural resource use by each and every one of us. At the end of the day, natural disasters do not discriminate. Whether you're looking after nature or not, they come for you. So let us be crusaders of environmental conservation and sustainable natural resource use.
Tayebwa no misho yaragirira chairperson w'akakiiko k'ebyobuhangwa hamwe n'ebyokwombeeka okureeta ripoota erukwata habibacondorize.
Our issue is the mitigation mechanism, because all this you have repeated here on the floor several times. Our challenge is, when all these the scientists knew were coming, what did they do to mitigate their effects on the population? That if you could just help us on that, because I remember the Minister for Environment sometime back and also Minister for Disaster had brought all these issues.
Joel Senyonyi uri kuri orubajo rukuhakanisa gavumenti omu Eishengyero enshonga egi yagiteeka ahari gavumenti okureka abantu okwombeka omu bisharara hamwe n'obutakunganya kasasiro erikuba ijwire omu mifuregye.
Now we are on the opposite side of the lane with very heavy rains that are causing flooding. As we have mentioned, 7 people died as of yesterday. Myself, in my constituency, I lost 3 people.
Tokubasa kugira town nkeji yona ngutaraho plani yo kumanya abantu bayiyongera ebizimbe byayiyongera town yayiyongera kukora kibanchi manyisa ngo emifreje yo mutawuni entindo zo mutawuni enguto zo mutawuni nazabone zanze etagwa upgrade.
Chairperson w'akakiiko k'Eishengyero ry'ihanga ak'ebyokwombeka Dan Kimosho yashobora Eishengyero ng'obucweka 6 aha bizimbe by'omu kibuga hamwe n'emifuregye hamwe n'ebindi tibirombekirwe ahari pulaani.
But, Right Honourable Speaker and honourable colleagues, this is the first rain we received, or second, yesterday's rain. And we can see the extent of the damage. And Right Honourable Speaker and honourable colleagues, I want to assure you, the little time I've been in that committee, almost 60% of the work you see going around in Kampala has no approved plans.
Chief Whip wa gavumenti omu kugamba kwe yashoboje omuringo ogubaragwiremu abantu aha nshonga z'enjura erikuza kugwa omu bwire obu.
They even went ahead to explain or project how the 3 months of March, April, and May would look like.
Gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano awa Tayali West Enshonga omuri Kampala.